a color map here, then it looks like that. But you can do out of this a lot of different other stuffs, like with the bfill. This is also a node what I created, what you find also in my GitHub. Or you can go away one step more and scale that a bit and makes a color ramp. This color ramp looks like that, and then it looks like so. Maybe you can also switch a bit 3D axis for a few. So it's that. And other one impression of this another one impression was to animate the color, the hue of the color that we have, a rotating color. And very other thing is when you give in a wave. This wave, 3D wave, is also a nude of myself, and you find it also on the GitHub. And here you can see that lining this thing, something like that. And the last is also a nude of me that I was use a lot of animation times, and also one of the scene wave to have maximum and the minimum that they doesn't run away. And you see this is more like a pattern what we built here, and I have also a variation on with the color ramp inside here, similar color ramp that I was used before in another thing. You see that lose the calibration a bit, and you must starting over maybe sometimes, and so the time is not good positioned here. But you can do that for yourself. You can view out. We have more examples of the presets. What is the standard preset? What did I give it away with that? And so you can animate also this one a little bit. I zoom it a bit back, and maybe I put the 2D camera a little bit more in the center. And so you can see that also by a color ramp. I use this color ramp mostly because when you use that, then it's no problem to use the spout out by that easy 3D shells, by the easy 3D shapes. And if you use the 3D coloring system for PBR shadings and stuff like that, then you have really problems. Maybe I do some easier version of that for that it works with the spout out. But then when you use that, then you have problems with the spout out. So we go to the next. This is the half open preset, and you can animate that also a bit. And the color ramp, you can give it here a hard color ramp, but it's changed. The texture is not fixed. They switched over, and this also a nice effect for some things. The next one is this aqua, I believe so in a few. Yes, aqua plasmoid. And also that you can animate it. This looks very fluid a bit. And here also I have made a hue color changing automation animation. And the next one is that what is more a bit like a pattern and you can also animate it, and it's really more to use for like a pattern or something like a 2D thing, but object is 3D. When you go inside, you can find a point where you can see that really 3D. And the next and last one of this showcase is this aqua plasmoid in other situation with other animation and with other option preparations. So this it was for that short showcase. I hope you was inspired and you like to use that node of me, and you build for yourself nodes and send me that off that we can use it in the community together. That and I say bye bye.